Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone's end of year shopping? Now we have lots of sales for Black Friday, Cyber Weekend, Cyber Monday, and I got something from David Jones. They are still having sales. There are lots of designer brands for clothes and handbags, shoes, and I ordered some skincare. They were doing like 20% off for Chanel and La MER, which almost never happened. So I ordered some products that I want to try. I think it's better to shop in the David Jones shop because they will wrap up all the products in beautiful Christmas packaging, because I ordered online. So they just come in normal package. I also ordered some clothes from GOELIA, and this is not sponsored because I saw lots of YouTubers talk about this brand, so I want to try that out. I'll do an unboxing at the end of this video. So let's begin unboxing right away. Got something from Chanel. This is the Chanel eye cream. I never tried any Chanel skincare products before, and I heard of their facial cream from this line is very good. So I want to try their eye cream first. The box is satin finish. For this product you can buy the refill, which is making it more environmental friendly. Oh. There's a little spoon in there. That's very cute and handy. So for my first impression, the packaging is pretty nice, and especially for the container, it's nice and weighted, so it doesn't feel cheap. And that's what it looks like. I'm super looking forward to try this product. And let's unboxing this product from La MER. I have used their eye cream, facial cream, so I ordered something called the Renewal Oil. I've seen lots of reviews for this product, and I always wanted to try. It's kind of like a toner plus oil thing, so you have to shake them like this to make them fully mixed, like this, and then you can add it into facial cream or even foundation. I'm planning to use this after toner before any cream, so kind of like a serum. I hope this product good for my under eye area because they tends to dry out quickly. By the way, the price for them after sale, I paid 298 Australian dollars for the Chanel eye cream and 373 for the Renewal Oil from La MER. And next, let's open up some clothing. I got them from GOELIA. I never purchased any clothing from them before, so I'm excited to see their quality. The first one I ordered is a dress. This beige colored sleeveless dress. The material is not too thick, and you can see the textures on it. Let's see the lining. Let's see the linings. The stitchings are pretty good. And the labels. I wear extra small, so that's US 2 and UK 6, UK and Australia size 6. So it has some pure wool in there. hardware and stitching on the belt. So far, the quality is meeting my standard. And I like these little details for belts. The next one I got is a jacket. Each buttons are individually covered. That's very pretty. I'm very happy about the quality. I think compared to jackets from Sandor or Mage, this jacket is slightly thinner than their ones, but the quality is really up there. And last one I got is a cardigan. Just like the jacket, this one have all the hardware covered too. This cardigan is nice and thick, and I can do some review after I wear them and give them a couple times of wash and see how they turns out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you all have a wonderful week. If you're into luxury, fashion, jewelry, please subscribe and make videos on those topics regularly. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. See you in the next one.